Welcome back to the studio. I'm Michael. So right now there's a few things happening with Bitcoin and the entire crypto market that we need to talk about. We've seen a lot of announcements come out from Brazil in terms of mass adoption, which is great news for the market. But when we're looking at Bitcoin in terms of technicals, there are a few things that we need to keep an eye out for because the next 24 to 48 hours are going to be a deciding factor as to where the market is going. So let's talk about it. First thing is going to be with the overall market. We're seeing that Bitcoin's hovering right below $24,000 per coin. The other day, it reached a high of $25,000 per coin. And same with Ethereum. It reached a high of $2,000 per coin, but now it has come back, retraced a bit down to around $1,850 per coin. The key thing right now is going to be with Bitcoin. There are two key levels, which I talked about on Twitter. So if you don't already, make sure to follow me there. Also, we're closing in on 10,000 followers there. So if we hit that by Friday, we're going to give away a couple $100. But anyways, Bitcoin right now, with its SOPR indicator, is facing a crucial resistance. And if we're looking at this, we could see that historically, whenever Bitcoin SOPR, this ratio, is above 1, well, we start to see the market rally. Whenever it's below 1, well, we see markets continuing to fall. And right now, we're at a deciding moment because Bitcoin is retesting 1 for SOPR. You can see right here where this red arrow is. If we're able to break above that, break above 1 on the SOPR indicator, then we very well could be seeing $30,000 per coin very, very quickly. If we are rejected again at this level, I'm expecting a retest of $20,000 to $21,000. Next thing, the other indicator with the market is going to be with the RHODL ratio. This is an indicator created between the 1 week and the 1 to 2 year HODL wave bands. And when we're looking at this, historically, it's been accurate at predicting the tops of the market, but you could also look at oversold and overbought positions. Right now, this indicator is showing that we are in the oversold territory for Bitcoin, meaning that it is a great time to still buy if you're looking at it long term, regardless of if we see another little drop, another little pullback, because either way, this indicator looks at it more long term and is saying right now, we are in the oversold territory, meaning it is a good opportunity to be buying. Now let's talk about what's been going on with Ethereum, because Ethereum has a couple of big things coming up over the coming month with its merge to proof of stake. And we can see that Coinbase just came out and announced that it's going to be pausing Ethereum ERC20 token deposits and withdrawals during the merge as a precautionary measure. In a recent blog post, they came out and talked all about the merger, things you need to know. But the important thing here is that they're simply taking this as a precautionary measure because we have seen a lot of issues with exchanges in the past, and they don't want this to happen. They said they do not expect any other networks or currencies to be impacted, and they expect no impact on trading ETH, but they simply want to take a precautionary measure to prevent anything from happening. The key thing here is that this isn't happening right now. You can still withdraw and you can still deposit ETH into your account, but as we get closer to the merge, that is when it's going to happen. So around September 15th and September 16th. Next thing I want to go over is what's going on with Brazil, because there's been two big announcements coming out of Brazil for the crypto market. First is going to be that Latin America's largest investment bank, BTG Pactual, just launched its own crypto exchange in Brazil called Mint. This is a very big deal because it's Latin America's largest investment bank getting fully into the crypto space. They're really going all in. They're launching their own crypto exchange. In addition to this, in addition to Latin America's largest investment bank, we've also seen a major Brazilian broker named XP. They are a financial firm that is also going all into the crypto space as well, and they're opening their own crypto trading platform called XStage as well. They recently just launched this the other day within the last 24 to 48 hours, and seeing that Latin America's largest investment firm and the largest Brazilian broker all getting into the crypto space is a very bullish sign. We're seeing over 3.6 million customers are going to have access to XP's new crypto platform. These are the customers they already have, and we're seeing more widespread adoption of crypto all across Latin America. So there's a lot of exciting stuff going on in the market. If you're looking at short term, we need to keep an eye out on this SOPR ratio, this indicator right here. If we can see it break above 1, that is a very, very bullish sign for the next couple of days for the market. If we don't break above 1, well, we could very well see a retracement back to $20,000 to $21,000 per coin. Anyways, that's going on in the market. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for another episode. See ya.